I was paying two child supports out at once, Cody Lockridge and then with Connie here. Then I got told one of the kids ain't mine, it's supposed to be my dad's.
Have you tried to get a GED?
My blood pressure is up like 190 something right now.
Can you hear us, ma'am?
Yes, I can hear you.
Mr. Hamilton, in this matter, you're before the court charged with a civil contempt of court due to your failure to pay child support and or related expenses. Upon a first conviction, you could be ordered to serve up to 45 days in jail. If it's a second or subsequent offense, up to 90 days in jail. Do you understand the charges, sir?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
I advise you have a right to an attorney. The court will appoint an attorney to represent you should you desire an attorney. It's my understanding you wish to proceed without an attorney. Is that correct?
Yes.
Are you doing so freely and voluntarily?
Yes, Your Honor.
Has anyone threatened you, coerced you, used any undue influence, pressure, or promises to get you to appear without an attorney?
No, Your Honor.
This is the case of Connie Henry versus Jeffrey Hamilton. The docket is 932397DS. Mr. Hamilton is before the court by way of a bench warrant after he failed to appear for an adjourned hearing on September 8th, 2021. There are no current charges in this case because the minor child has emancipated, and the court ordered that he pay $100 per month, which includes the service and processing fees each month. The last payment that he paid was $300 on May 26th, 2021. As you can see, it is not posted bond. He's had 11 prior show causes. This is his 12th bench warrant, and there have been 6 findings of contempt. In the last year, he should have paid a minimum of $1,200. He's paid nothing. The arrearage on this case is $8,469.62. Mr. Hamilton booked into the county jail on March 4th. He has credit for 9 days. He also has a 90-day jail sentence who served back on January 19th, 2016. And there are no state owed arrearages. It's all owed to Ms. Henry.
Okay. Mr. Hamilton, do you contest or dispute any of the statements made by Ms. Petrulio?
I can barely understand. I guess I don't. I was paying 2 child supports at once, and I got vertical real bad where I'm swaying and interfered with my eyes and that. I guess everything's right, I guess.
Okay. Do you have any questions for Ms. Petrulio?
No, I just thought this case was dropped. It was on my other child support in Hillsdale County was dropped. I was paying 2 child supports out at once. Cody Lockridge and then with Connie here.
Okay. Well,
then I got told one of the kids ain't mine, it's supposed to be my dad's.
okay. Well, that doesn't involve this child, so I don't know how that's relevant. Okay. What can you tell me, sir? Obviously you haven't paid and you haven't paid in a lot of years. Why is that?
Yeah, I turned around. I thought I was reopening a business and that, and things just went through with my ex-wife and that. She sold the building and that, and skipped state. And I tried to work and I got vertical, and then it's kind of hard with vertical. I'm going to doctors right now that I got arrested. I got something about back of my head, and I don't know what it is. Something about red blood cells and white cell thing. But if she'll give me another chance, I can start sending payments. I thought this case was dropped. That was my mistake. It was Hillsdale County that was dropped.
Okay. Well, you're not working now?
I know, but I can start sending payments though.
How can you do that if you're not working, sir?
I can manage on it, send it. I just gotta get my right doctor. I'm not getting my right medication in here.
Okay.
I can start sending it if you just give me one more chance.
Well, I'm asking you how you're going to do that, sir. If you haven't paid for a number of years, I understand you think that the matter might have been dismissed. You know now that it hasn't been dismissed, but if you're not working, how are you going to make your payments?
Yeah, I gotta find a job and make the payment.
Okay. Let me ask you, in the last year, what have you done to acquire employment?
And I've been, only way, last past year, I've been doing plasma. I've been homeless for like 3 years.
Okay.
Only thing I get is food stamps.
Okay, so your plan of working is simply wishful thinking on your part because you haven't done anything to acquire employment.
I've been homeless.
Okay,
I'm living back in Albion right now, and I'm getting a job right now. Or I can get a job in that, this vertical, it's movement. I'm trying to get disability and everything.
okay. Have you tried to get disability in the past?
And I tried, but they denied me, but it's something else right now. And that's something about red blood cells and white cells.
Okay,
I was going through the process. I had a CAT scan before they picked me up. I don't know what the results was in Jackson County.
what's your education background, sir?
10th grade.
Have you tried to get a GED?
Not since I've been with Connie.
Why haven't you done anything to get a GED and improve yourself, make yourself more capable of being employed?
I've always been working.
Okay, that wasn't my question. Is why have you not sought to get your GED so that you are more employable?
I didn't think about it. I'm 50-some years old. I ain't even seen my kids since they were small.
Okay, anything else you'd like to tell me, sir?
No, that's it, Your Honor.
Okay. Ma'am, is there anything you'd like to inform me of?
Yes, he has several 6+ Facebook pages, and the latest one states that he was working. I submitted this October 10th, 2024 to the my child support account that I have. I submitted it, and he was working at the Dollar Tree June 11th, 2023, and also a night closer at McDonald's on June 3rd, 2023. And also back in July 14th of 1990, he was working at J&M Plating, and he doesn't do his taxes. I don't have the proof, but he was taught to use somebody else's social security number, and he doesn't file taxes because he's not submitting the proper social security card. And his son, Cody Lockridge, lived with me for a minute, and he did admit that he was using his social security card.
Hold on, ma'am. Hold on. Sir,
Okay.
It's not your time to talk, so be quiet.
Okay, okay.
Sir, be quiet. Ma'am, go ahead.
Okay, like I said, and also May of 2023, he was working at Lowe's. And also from December 13th, 2013, till December 31st, 2021, he was working as a manager at that hole in the wall treasure up there on Page Avenue in Jackson. And again, he's working and not turning in, not filing taxes.
Anything else you'd like me to be aware of, ma'am?
Just, he's had all over these years, he's never tried to improve. He's never tried to help with the kids. He had opportunities to see the kids. He didn't want to see them, but that's, a whole different story. The kids are grown. They still don't go around him. They're in their 30s. If it, says anything. So,
Okay.
But that's all I have to say.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Sir, she's stated about various places that you had worked just the last year. Dollar Tree back in June of 23, McDonald's, and then Lowe's in May of 23. Were you working at all those places, sir?
Yes, Lowe's paid every 2 weeks. She got payment on that. The hole in the wall treasures and that she was getting, I was running the business for my ex-wife for room and board and that, and she's been paying my ex-wife and her husband have been paying her the child support. When my vertical was acting worse and everything, that's when I worked at Dollar Tree, and that I had to quit McDonald's is only 3 hours. Dollar Tree was only 5 hours. I can't work. That's when it started hitting me worse, sir.
Okay,
Man. But she was getting, my ex-wife was paying payments on on a credit card to her and that for the child support, $100 a month all the time.
okay. But nothing was being paid through the front of the court, correct?
Oh, my ex-wife was paying everything when I was doing the hole in the wall treasures.
Okay,
I never received any money from him except for through child support.
okay, thank you.
He was over here at the court when I had to pay $600 real quick.
Okay. Anything else, sir?
No, my blood pressure is up like 190 something right now.
Okay.
I'm going
Well,
through with all
court
that.
proceedings will do that. If you get a job and you work and you pay your support, you could probably eliminate some of that condition.
And
Excuse me, can I say,
this is all new to me. This just hit me right before I came in, Your Honor.
Okay. What, ma'am? You had something else to add?
reason why he hasn't filed taxes?
Okay, I don't care about that. I mean,
Okay, I'm just saying that was, you know,
he's not doing it, and again, something
Right.
you have to deal with.
I don't
In
even
this
see
matter,
why-
In this matter, the court has heard the
One
testimony. Testimony is that the respondent in this case has a long history in this matter, that he has an arrearage of approximately $8,500. He's only required to pay $100 per month. That he claims that he can get a job and start paying, but he hasn't done so. That he is stated that he had attempted to previously try to get disability. He was denied on that. He claims that he's going to try it again, that he has a 10th grade education. However, he has not attempted to do anything to get a GED to improve himself so that he could be employable. That in this case that the mother has testified, which he has acknowledged, that he did work some places in 2023, notwithstanding that he had not made any payments in this matter since back in May of 2021. So we're going on 3 years now before any payments have been made. Clearly in this matter.
Last year, I worked.
Clearly in this, okay, sir, I'm done listening to you. Be quiet. In this matter, he has clearly had the ability to pay. He has not paid anything in this matter since May of 2021, notwithstanding him having the ability to do so, recognizing it was a limited ability when he was working at those places in 2023, but he could have done something, and acknowledged that his obligation, because the kids have emancipated and are older, so he could be paying something. In this matter, he has not done so. The court will find that he's failed to exercise due diligence, failed to refuse to comply with the order of the court in this matter, and that he is therefore in contempt of court. Is there anything you'd like to say before sentencing, sir?
I'll go ahead. I need my medication right.
Okay.
I promise I'll make the things.
Well, all I can say in that, sir, is I'm sure over the last approximately 3 years, last 3 years, you probably promised a lot, if not to me.
I had a job last year and that making it while I was homeless and they took out child support.
Stop talking, sir. I don't want you talking.
One of the kids ain't even mine.
Stop talking, sir. Court will note that he's not paid, and again, the approximate 3 years, recognizing that the court has found him already in contempt of court. In this matter, he has served he had served 9 days in jail. His credit for 9 days served. He had previously had a 90-day jail sentence. The court, because it is a subsequent, again, conviction, the court is in this matter going to sentence him to 90 days in jail with credit for 9 days served. The court would allow him to purge himself of contempt by paying the sum of $1,000. That will be the order of the court. You can,
If I die in here, I'll
see
see
with
someone.
that, Ms. Petrolia. Thank
That's all I
you.
have.
Thank
I'm
you,
sorry.
ma'am, for appearing and
Thank you.
You have a good day.
Thank you.
All right,
Aaron.
thank you.
Thank you.
How many other kids do you have that are biologically yours?
So I'm taking care of a total of 4 other kids, period.
Okay, so you don't have 2 other kids?
I'm responsible for 2 other kids that I've been taking care of. I have a kid that I've been the guardian since he was 3. So 2.
Did you adopt that child?
I haven't done any adoption.
The other one have a father that's on child support, that support his kid, that take care of his kid. So that is not his kid.
Other children that are not biologically yours or adopted are not your children and not your responsibility.